Here's a fun little thing that I built recently. What you're looking at here is actually the fancy attaché case, whatever you want to call it. It's not really an attaché case. It's a carrying case for very fancy barbecue cutlery. Well, when I got it, I don't need damn cutlery. I just like the case for this thing here. And I thought, what could I use such a fancy case for? I could make a computer out of it, yeah, but that's already been done several times before. But then I had a great idea. For many years, I've been wanting to put a telephone into a briefcase. You know, like you have that fancy looking, like, government official briefcase, walking around, you open it up, and it's just foam lined, and it has a telephone in it. A red telephone. It's your line to the Kremlin. And I have done exactly that. Albeit, it is not a line to the Kremlin. And what you're actually looking at in here is, slightly crooked, unfortunately, is a Nortel telephone, a white one, unfortunately, that's been completely padded around in this foam here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to call it. And I'm going to do talk. And it's dialing right now. Ah. Hello? Yes, Mr. President, he's right here next to me. Hold on one moment, please. It's crazy, isn't it? It works. But how did the phone ring? There's no wires here. There's nothing. Oh, but what's this? There's my cell phone. This here is actually connected together using, if I, don't make a mess here. This is actually connected together here using, buried away in the foam is a Bluetooth to landline adapter. And above that, we're seeing a 6-volt lead acid flat pack battery. And there's another one over here on the other side of the foam as well. So this here will run with about 16 or so hours. The power supply originally for the bridge adapter is 450 milliamps. Each lead acid cell here is rated for, it doesn't say? I swear it said. Anyways, I basically had this thing running for 16 hours and it still had a fantastic charge. I could call out, I could call to it. I've just had it like placed on a coworker's desk before. He's opened, he's been like, oh, what is this? And you pick it up and it actually has a tone to it. So you're like, it's a working phone. So you're looking around, where the hell is the line for this? And then it rings. And then you're just, hello? And then you can totally screw with them. I love it. And it also makes a good functional prop as well. If you want to call it, you can. If you want to dial out from it as well, we'll do that too. So hold on a second here. It's ringing. That phone should ring. And there we have it. Private caller, huh? Well, I guess that means we don't have any caller ID with this unit here. But hey, that just adds to the mystique when someone calls you from the briefcase phone. I hope you like it though. I had fun making it here. Really what you're looking at is a telephone, 2 batteries, a Bluetooth cell bridge adapter, this case here, which cost me only $7 from Value Village, and a bunch of packing foam. There you go, and you can make one yourself too.